This is Sensei, y'all. You see what I see? That's the FedEx truck. And my new wheel is on that FedEx truck. Unboxing coming soon. I believe this is it. This is the second truck to pass through, and the other one didn't have it on there. I'm like a big kid, man. This is gonna be a good day today. Oh man, this is like Christmas right now, bro. You're gonna be in my next YouTube video. This is like Christmas. What's up, man? This is Electric Unicycle. Yeah, man. Here it is, everybody. The wheel, baby. Oh yeah, it did, man. There it is, everybody, in all its glory. I put my darn finger in the shot, so what? There it is. All right, fresh off the FedEx truck, sent from E-Wheels. Here we go. All right, anyway, I gotta run to the store, pick up a few things, and fly back here, and we'll get the show on the road. What's up, everybody? Sensei here. Welcome to another episode. First thing I want to say is I apologize. I'm having troubles with my comments. So if I don't reply to you right away, it's not on purpose. It's like sometimes they show up and sometimes they don't. And then I have to go through each video, you know, one by one. It's kind of crazy, so I have to get that straightened out. But I do my best to answer every comment because, you know what? I thank each and every one of you for making comments. I really, really do. So, with that being out the way, welcome! Because it's time. We got a little bit of gear, boom, boom, and then we got a new wheel that I want to unbox. And let me tell you, it was hot today. It was hot. I wanted to do this video earlier, but it was just too effing hot. So I just kind of chilled out today, and I'm starting to sweat right now because I have my AC off so it doesn't make a bunch of noise, so I can bring you nice clarity on this video. Okay, so we're going to start off with some gear, and then I'm going to actually give you the reason why I chose this wheel, and yeah, and then I will show you the wheel. Okay, so here we go. First things first. Gloves. I got some new gloves. If you guys saw the video when I took a little dump, and again, thank the creator for gear because, yeah, I ripped my gloves, so I got some new ones. And I'm not even sure who makes these things. And again, this isn't the most expensive stuff, but hey, it's gonna work. It's gonna serve its purpose. This is, you know what? I'm just gonna flash the name up on the screen. I don't want to butcher this name. But yeah, got the little like lime fluorescent green going on there. More of a fluorescent, I don't know what you want to call it, lime. I don't know. Anyway, it's good. It breaks up the black color a little bit. Pretty nice. They feel good. Got some protection on the knuckles right here in case you go down, or in case someone, you know, comes up to you. You got to tune them up a little bit. They can just jab them real quick. Just kidding. I'm not one for violence, but if I have to throw, I will throw down. Okay. So anyway, I got some new gloves. We'll set these back in the bag. Hope everyone had a great day today. Hope everyone is faring well through this whole situation that we're all in together. And the next thing we have, I'll hold it up in front of my ugly mug here, is a shirt. I'm gonna open it up. Right here, look at this. Yeah, look at that. Make sure I can be seen. That's always important. It has the nice reflective strips on it. So Yeah, I'm really happy with this. Now I gotta try to fold this thing back up, but you know what? I'm just gonna take and do a quick little fold up job here. But yeah, visibility and making sure drivers can see you when you're on the road are important. So, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna just set this off to the side like that. And this is the last piece of gear. And I still have a few things that I wanna get. This is awesome. I like this. Bam! Check this out. Look at that. Has the pads built already in. Has shoulder pads. Then it has the elbow pads that come down into the forearm pads. And then it actually has a back pad as well. And this is made by Wicked Stock. I had gotten pants from them as well. Only thing that I noticed about this, it can get a little bit warm. So like putting this thing on today would be like a no-no. You would sweat half to death. You would. So I'm thinking maybe 80 degrees would be good to ride with this thing, 80 and lower. But today, like in the high 90s, it felt like it was over 100 degrees up here in Jersey. It was crazy. So this is it, man. So I'm really happy with this stuff. This is something that, you know, I can throw on. I can throw a sweatshirt over top of it. And yeah, you wouldn't even really know I have anything on. Look like Popeye underneath. But yeah, so this is cool. Happy with that. But I'm still going to get just a pair of elbow pads and knee pads. So I'm looking for something. I think I found something though. All right. Set this off to the side. All right. Okay, here we go. So this is why I chose the wheel that I did. And I know you guys are like, well, you just hurry up. Hey, man, I've been using the word man a lot. Anyway, we're here to spend some quality time. So let's just spend some quality time, okay? So I'm looking at what I wrote down. I got two things written down. And the main one is convenience, okay? So a lot of my riding will be done in New York City. And just looking at some of the comments and what people were saying, I need something that would be more city friendly. And again, I commute in from Jersey. I would have to take the bus, have to take the train to get into the city. But when I get into the city, I don't like taking the subway. I really don't. That is like, it has to be raining typhoon style in order for me to get on the train. That's the only time that I will really take the train, if it's raining really bad. Otherwise, I'll walk, okay? And I don't catch the bus. I lived in New York City. I think I said this in one of my videos. Lived there for 6 years. I've worked there and still work there for over the last 25 years. Caught the bus one time. So that should tell you I'm not a big fan about public transportation. But I still have to, you know, get on and off elevators and escalators and just moving around in and out of buildings and things, and trying to do that with, you know, a bigger wheel could be a little difficult. So you guys are getting some hints at where I'm going here. And the last one would be wheel time. Now, I did not get the Sherman. I wanted the Sherman. The Sherman is still on my list, but I was looking at the time. Now they're saying the second half of August for the second batch to be ready or to go out. But we all know that shipping's a little bit sporadic right now with everything that's going on, so shipping's kind of low. And it could be September. Who even knows? Even if I put in for the second batch, I might not get something until the third batch coming out. And I didn't want to wait until like the end of September on the wheel. I don't want to have to wait, you know, 8 weeks, you know, 6 to 8 weeks on a wheel. So my wheel time will be messed up, because right now my M103 is down. I haven't been on the wheel for like 2 weeks. And I was like, I need to get on my wheel. I need to get on the wheel. So I said I have to make a decision and get something, okay? So that was another thing, wheel time. The time that I spend off the wheel means I'm not getting any better. The more time I spend on the wheel, the better I'm going to get. And the thing is, I learn things very quickly, so I got to make up for lost time. That's another thing, so the wheel time. All right, so here it is. Y'all ready for this? Now, I looked at this wheel before. It was actually one of the first wheels that I looked at, and it was just bouncing around through my head, bouncing around through my head, bouncing around through my head. And I still think it's one of the best bangs for the dollar. And so I got it. So let's cut all the chit chat and jump into opening up this wheel. All right. And I'm praying that I don't have the same issue with this wheel as that I had with the first one, with the shims falling out. Like I said, that M103 I got, I love the wheel. I love that wheel. I'm definitely going to get it fixed. But both shims fell out of that wheel within 6 days. That's why I haven't been riding. So I have to get that fixed. But I blame that on the factory. I do. Because that's no way in the world on the second day of riding that a shim should have fell out. You know what I mean? And then by the 6th day, both of them came out. And me being a new rider, I had no idea what those things were. Whew. Woo! You smell it. It smells like a new wheel, matey. Hi, matey. All right. So, you know what this is. I'm gonna toss that off to the side. You guys excited? Is everybody excited like me? We got the charger right here. We don't need to see that. We already know what that looks like. We definitely don't need to see that, but slide this off to the side. Don't sleep. Thank you, E-Wheels, for these wrist guards. I'm going to tell people, when you get these things, do not sleep on these wrist guards. These things saved me from probably breaking my wrist. Yes. Thank you. I love those. Holy cow, this thing is much, much bigger than my other wheel. Woo! Yeah, that thing is much bigger. Okay. You already know what it is. You can probably see it. This is what I got right here. Wow. I got the Gotway Tesla V2. And I know most of you have seen this wheel, but I thought this would be the best wheel for me. I'll set all this on the floor for right now. I will flash the specs up on the screen. And wow, I mean, just from going from my M103 to this, I mean, I could definitely feel the weight difference, which is actually pretty good. I don't know if it comes across on camera. I'm not big, but I'm not little either. You know, I'm about 100. I actually lost some weight when I first started riding the M10. I was about 193, 95 pounds. I didn't even realize it. And now I've actually dropped some weight. I'm at about 189 pounds, 188 pounds. Okay, so, and I'm 6'1". And I wear a size 12 shoe, so putting those big feet on that M10 was a little bit rough sometimes. But this is it. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'll probably stretch it out longer than I should have. But this is the wheel that I got. And I hope I didn't disappoint anybody, but I will see what's coming out, because I think the bar has been raised with the Sherman, and you got other great wheels like the V11, excellent wheel. I thought about that one as well, but again, waiting for the shipments of those to come in, I just didn't want to sit out 8 weeks without riding. So this is why I got the Tesla V2. But I'm sure 2021 is going to be a heck of a year for wheels. I'm just curious to see what's going to come out, you know. But anyway, I want to thank each and every last one of y'all for joining me. I'm Sensei. Remember, ride your wheel like you hate it.